Hi students, today our topic is shared memory organization in Model 3. So shared memory organization concept involves the topic of memory interleaving. Memory interleaving is one of the technique which provides the higher bandwidth for a pipelined access of contiguous memory locations. Right? It is one of the important technology in memory concepts, and it provides a higher bandwidth, and also it provides the higher memory speed. Right? The speed of memory is higher in the memory interleaving concepts. And then memory interleaved memory is one of the technique which compensate for the relatively slower speed of dynamic RAMs. Right? So it is one of the compensation techniques to increase the speed of memory. Right? So this is called as memory interleaving. In memory interleaving, if your main memory is divided into n number of blocks, that memory is called as n-way interleaved memory. Right? So the main memory is divided into number of two or more section. If your memory is having n number of banks, means that memory is called as n-way interleaved memory. Likewise, some examples are given here. If it is a two-way interleaved memory, means two memory blocks are accessed at the same time for writing and reading operations. Similarly, if it is a four-way interleaved memory, means four memory blocks are accessed at the same time. So this is about to increase the higher bandwidth of the memory, and also increase the speed of the memory devices. So these two are the more important advantage of memory interleaved. So based on the bits representation in memory words, so how the memory address is represented, so how it is going to represent, and based on the representation wise, this interleaving is divided into two topics. One is low order interleaving, second is high order interleaving. Right? So low order interleaving is one interleaving technology where the memory location is spreaded in horizontal direction. Right? The memory address is given and it is represented in a horizontal direction. When we move from left to right, it will be traveled. So that's what it is called as horizontal direction of horizontal representation of main memory. Right? First point. The second point is the low order A bits of memory is used to identify the memory model. Right? I already told that the main memory is divided into number of modules. The model address is represented by a low order A bits. Okay. Then what is the use of high order means? High order B bits are used for representing the word address. Right? If you take main memory address, it consists of two fields. One is model address, another one is word address. So here in this case of low order interleaving, that LSB bits, the LSB bits is nothing but lower most significant bits are used for representing the memory model address, and highest B bits are used for representing the model word address. So in that way the representation is different. We will see one diagram here. So this is the detailed diagram of explaining the low order M-way interleaving. Here it starts from the word memory address. That is, memory address is nothing but it comprises of two fields. First leftmost field is model address field, and rightmost field is word address field. Right? So here the LSB bit of A bits representation is called as memory model address. It is given to the address decoder. Here after the address decoder, there are some n number of modules are divided. If your main memory is divided into 8 number of modules, means n number of parallel unit, 8 number of parallel units are assigned. So in that way it is assigned. This after this address decoder, it is given to the memory address buffer, MAB. From the MAB, and the corresponding word address is identified with the respective model address and word address. The data which is stored in the respective model is retrieved, and it is communicated with the another external devices with the help of MDB. MDB is nothing but memory data buffer. Right? So this is the assembly of showing low order M-way interleaving. right? So here MAB is nothing but memory address buffer, MD is nothing but memory data buffer, and WAB is nothing but word address buffer, right? The rightmost field is used for representing the word address bit, that is called as B bit of representation. This B bit of representation is given to the WAB, that means W address buffer, and it is directly connected to the word address, memory model address. So where the particular word address and memory address model address is identified, that data stored in that corresponding location, retrieved location, is given to the MDB. With the help of MDB, it is get communicated with the other devices in the system with the help of data bus. Okay, fine. So this is what happening in the low order MA interleaving. The second type is high order interleaving. It is a vice versa of the previous one, where in low order the lower bits are used for representing the module address. Here in the second case, higher bits in the sense most significant bits of the address are used for representing the memory address. Memory address are nothing but module address, and low order B bits of representation are used for word address, right? So from the name itself we can easily identify high order interleaving. In the high order interleaving, most significant bits are used for representing the module address, and LSB are used for representing the word address. So this is what happening in the high order interleaving. We will see one diagram here. The diagram is very similar to the previous one. The only difference is model address has changed. So here in the model address, first MSB are used for representing the models. So that's what A bits are moved to rightmost bit, MSB bits. So this A bit representation is the same thing. It is given to the address decoder. Depending on the number of modules divided, there are a n number of parallel units are there, starting from M0 to M-1. So if your main memory is divided into M-way interleaving, means it starts from M0 to M-1 modules. Likewise, it will be parallelly arranged. So after the address decoder, the corresponding memory model is addressed and referenced. Similarly, from the LSB bit, the word address is referenced. It is represented by the B bit. It is given to the WAB. WAB is nothing but word address buffer. So from the word address buffer, it is get connected with every modules in the main memory. After that, corresponding word address and main memory module address is located and addressed. The data stored in that memory location is retrieved, and it is given to the MDB, memory data buffer. From the help of data bus, from the MDB, it is get communicated with other devices in the system. So this is what happening in the high order M-way interleaving, right? I hope you understand this video. I will catch you in the next video about next topic. Thank you.